allow me to sponsor House Bill number 2585, the proposed Center for the Elderly in all cities and municipalities act. Our senior citizen population continues to grow every year. With that growth comes a responsibility for us to ensure that our communities are ready to support them, not only financially, but also physically, socially, and emotionally. Sa totoo lang po, kapag pinag-uusapan ng suporta para sa senior citizens, ang madalas naiisip natin ay pensions, discounts, at medical assistance. Mahalaga po ang lahat ng ito, but beyond financial support, we must also ask a simple question. May sapat ba tayong mga lugar sa ating mga komunidad kung saan maaaring pumunta ang ating mga nakakatanda para sa wellness, social interaction, at day-to-day support? This is what House Bill number 2585 seeks to address. This bill proposes the establishment of at least one local center for the elderly in every city and municipality. Accessible, community-based spaces where senior citizens can receive health and wellness services, participate in activities, and remain active members of all communities. This proposal is inspired in part by the experience of Taguig City, where dedicated spaces for senior citizens have helped promote not only care and wellness, but also dignity, activity, and community. Importante rin pong linawin na iba ang approach sa panukalang ito. Hindi ito nakatuon sa residential or institutional care. Sa halip, pinalalakas nito ang community-based support by bringing services and engagement closer to where our seniors live. In this context, we are mindful, Madam Chair, that the other measures before the committee primarily deal with residential care facilities for homeless and neglected senior citizens. These bills address an equally important concern. However, House Bill number 2585 is a distinct measure with a different focus and policy approach. Rather than residential or institutional care, it seeks to strengthen community-based support for seniors through accessible local centers that promote wellness, activity, and social connection closer to home.